Yo, Justin, you look mighty hungry there.
I am mighty hungry. I wish I had some ravioli instead of the grilled cheese dippers from Casey's.
How are you gonna get it?
I'm not too sure, but I think with the help of the Google Home, maybe I'll learn how to make some ravioli. Hey Google, how do you make ravioli?
Okay, I've got a recipe called Easy Homemade Ravioli from the Endless Meal. This recipe serves four and takes about 1 hour and 3 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
That sounds amazing.
Great, I'm glad.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm doing my own review of the Google Home Mini, and let's get into it. Home Mini comes in 3 colors. I think it comes in this dark kind of charcoal black. It comes in a light gray for the mesh speaker part, and then I think it's like white on the bottom. And I think it also comes in an orange color. I think it's like this color, but the top is the orange part. So I picked this up on Black Friday. It was on sale for $25, just half off. So this normally goes for around $50. Depending on where you pick it up, you could get it on sale or something. I don't know. So if you don't know, the Google Home Mini is a smart speaker, and it has a bunch of functionality. It has Google Assistant built in. So if you're familiar with Google Assistant, it's on most Android phones. And I think it's also on some smart TVs. I don't know which ones, but it's also on some smart TVs. Google Assistant is really powerful. It can have conversational things, as in you can ask it something, it'll give you an answer, and then ask a follow-up question, not saying what you said in the previous question, but referring to it. For example, if you say, how tall is the Empire State Building, followed up by how many people can live in it, or how many offices in it, saying it will know what you're saying. So it's a really powerful tool. And also, so Google Assistant built in, and it's also a Bluetooth speaker on its own. And if you're just wondering, it comes with a detachable micro USB cable. If I could just attach it. Give me one sec. So yeah, a detachable micro USB cable. As you can see, this comes in the box, so you don't have to go buy one. And then the other end just plugs straight into an outlet. So yeah, let me just plug this back in real quick. So yeah, this the speaker has literally only one switch on it, and that's just for mute. So yeah, it's pretty basic. And here it is booting up. As you can see, it's got those 4 LED lights behind this soft mesh material. It's got you can just hear that. It's booting up. Boots up really quickly. The whole setup process takes around 5 minutes or so. You just have to connect to your Wi-Fi. It has to recognize your voice, and you can set it up as a Bluetooth speaker and stuff like that. Connect it to your Spotify, connect it to your TV, all that stuff. You can basically control, if you have smart plugs in your house, smart TV, anything smart related, this thing can control it as long as it's connected to your home network. And if you're just wondering, the way you control volume on this is very simple. Oh, that's just showing me its max volume. Oh no, I'm sorry. That was minimum volume. So you tap the sides to increase and decrease volume, as you can see. And then if you want to play or pause a song, you just hold it. So yeah, I guess now I should probably show you a actual demonstration of that, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this thing can literally do like a billion different things, but if you want to just see one example, you could say like, okay, Google, what's the weather like today?
In Albany today, it'll be clear with a forecasted high of 33 and a low of 21.
So you can do
Right
that.
now it's 29
Okay.
and clear.
So a very crystal clear sound. This is a really good sounding speaker in my opinion. Has really good volume actually. This thing can get really loud. A slight distortion at high volumes, but most Bluetooth speakers this size will get a little distorted at high volumes. So that's not uncommon. And you'd also be like, hey Google, how many home runs did Babe Ruth hit?
According to Wikipedia, Ruth established many MLB batting and some pitching records, including career home runs, 714, runs batted in, RBIs, 2,213, bases on balls, 2,062, slugging percentage, .690, and on base plus slugging, ops, 1.164. The latter two still stand as of 2018.
So as you can see, this thing is very detailed in its answers, and it can also play games like, okay, Google, play a game.
Okay, I have a few options for that. Dustin from Stranger Things, Lucky Trivia, The Wiggles, and more. Which one do you want to try?
Anything.
I didn't get that. Which option would you like?
Okay, so it doesn't really matter when it comes to games. Now I'll give you a quick speaker test when it comes to music. Okay, so now it's going to boot up some music.
Subscribe to Life Made Easy for more awesome content.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamborghini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.